Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell P60F. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your laptop is getting too hot, you're not alone. This is a common issue, often caused by dust buildup in the cooling system or the thermal paste between the CPU and heatsink degrading over time. If this problem is left unaddressed, it can lead to severe overheating, which may cause your laptop to shut down unexpectedly or, worse, damage the internal components. So, let's dive in and get your Dell P60F back to a cooler state. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, thermal paste, a soft brush for cleaning, isopropyl alcohol, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure you have a clean workspace to carry out this repair safely. To begin, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Flip it over and remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Gently pry open the back cover using a plastic tool or your fingernails to avoid any damage. Take your time here and ensure you're not forcing anything. Once the cover is off, you'll have access to the internal components. Now, locate the CPU. It's usually covered by a heatsink, which is typically secured with screws or clips. Carefully unscrew or unclip the heatsink, making sure to keep track of the screws. Once removed, you'll see the old thermal paste on the CPU and the heatsink. Use a soft brush and some isopropyl alcohol to clean both surfaces thoroughly. This step is crucial to ensure proper heat transfer when you apply the new thermal paste. After cleaning, apply a small pea-sized amount of thermal paste to the center of the CPU. When you reattach the heatsink, the pressure will spread the paste evenly. Secure the heatsink back in place, ensuring it's tightened adequately, but be careful not to over-tighten it as this can damage the CPU. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is reassembled, replace the back cover and screw it back in place. Make sure all screws are secured properly to avoid any rattling or loose parts. Now, connect your laptop back to power and turn it on. Monitor the temperature to ensure it's operating within a safe range. To prevent your laptop from overheating in the future, regularly clean the vents and fans to remove dust buildup, and consider reapplying thermal paste every couple of years. Keeping your laptop on a flat, hard surface can also help improve airflow. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair, and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.